Anal skin disease. All of the hemorrhoids. Anal my continuous and repeated irritation and excessive force for the situation created by the disease. Mainly excessive drinking, or the wrong eating habits, constipation or diarrhea, the wrong bowel habits caused by disease. Hemorrhoids are for to talk to off to one of the diseases. Because hospitals don't look up to the people if you include the entire population of about 50% hemorrhoids pain and bleeding because in everyday life the discomfort of going through an estimated that cause you need to know the prevention and treatment can also. Whatever the cause and prevention of this once learn to do so. Men to suffer give hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids prevention 1. Anus warm. In order to prevent hemorrhoids usual anus around overly cold or wet, not absorbed and the stool increases the amount constipation solve it. Purple sweet potato twice a day. How to eat properly if lowers blood pressure and obesity, even to some extent the prevention can be and I'm carrots. Carrot in constipation relieve the most excellent ingredients are high in dietary fiber containing a large amount of coarse bifidobacteria to activate the ingredients until there are bowel movements to actively create it. More vegetable fiber, which prevent constipation and anal tear treatment fever or anal in strength caused by the treatment of the core cause to remove because hemorrhoids good food brown rice or barley tablets, such as whole grains, soy products, kelp-like seaweed, cabbage or radish-like vegetables, apples or strawberries, a banana-like fruit potato. Taro and is the error light on vegetable fiber containing a large amount of are frequently intake to very good. In addition, pumpkin seed, aloe, walnut, etc. I have vegetables when eaten in the raw rather than lightly dating or life in eating. Digestive function promotes quick absorption help it to manage is necessary. Cold floor in long sitting so that you do not suitable exercise and in one long sitting days that people often change their posture will be. 2. Defecation time is short. Defecation time is short, shorter is better. During bowel movements over a long period of your power if abdominal pressure increase the of the anus the blood vessels expand way hemorrhoids occurs because it's easy. Toilet in a cell phone or a book etc. and need more long sitting will hemorrhoids cause most bad habits. Bowel movement when possible, without power within 5 minutes naturally long contraction of the side effects that hemorrhoids prevention. 3. Drinking. Excessive drinking is prohibited. Drinking hemorrhoids blood vessels to suddenly expand, hemorrhoids at the bleeding and pain. Prolapsed of complications and should be avoided. Force it long do not. Hemorrhoids prevention how long with seated, that would work even better. Sitting when the anal sphincter is loose and the upper body of the hydraulic works as of the anus the blood vessels expand because it's easy and I'm prolonged sitting at work or driving if hemorrhoids take likely, as sometimes happens exercise it is advisable. 5. Diarrhea and constipation are the right treatment. Hemorrhoids prevention of constipation as with diarrhea if you have the right treatment to good. Constipation and diarrhea anus to stimulate wound easy anus blood vessels also expand hemorrhoids takes easy because especially constipation, in the case of the usual sufficient amount of water along with fiber, many fruits or veggies to consume that good. More than the usual moderate exercise and reduce stress if naturally constipation preventable no hemorrhoids can reduce. Hemorrhoids symptoms is anal to 38 to 40 degrees of warm water about 5 minutes a day 3 to 4 times a sitz bath that is good. Sitz bath the anus to clean and maintain smooth blood circulation to prevent hemorrhoids help because causes of hemorrhoids is constipation. Hemorrhoids on good food? Colon cancer or hemorrhoids one of the causes of constipation. Usual constipation prevention food immediately hemorrhoids good food and this food intake habits to hemorrhoids with due to problems that can be solved. Apples in dietary fiber make pectin, which contains a lot pectin is a sticky nature to control moisture absorption to significantly inflate for most piled on hard to soften stools the bowel movement promotes it. Pectin peel is within close proximity because there are a lot if possible, shelled to eat at. Vegetables, beans to fermentation to create foods with acidophilus and rich in fiber to bowel activity and promote constipation prevention to help you. Banana peel and pulp in. Pectin for constipation prevention efficacy. Their speckled bananas go with milk. If you drink, even more outstanding effect can see it. Less ripe bananas are tannins. Ingredients are rather constipation because it can cause a ripe banana, you must eat at. Sweet potato in the cellulose fiber rich to prevent constipation effective. Eye water is sucked in, force the device in the well is not.